Due to weight and balance restrictions, we ask you to keep your assigned seat. We also kindly request you not remove the emergency equipment installed on the aircraft from this place. We remind you that smoking on board is forbidden in all Mexicana flights, including electronic cigarettes. Thank you. Para colocar equipaje, prendemos faros, obstruir los pasillos y las salidas de emergencia. Por cuestiones de peso y balance les pedimos conservar sus asientos asignados. Asimismo, les solicitamos de la manera más atenta no remover de su lugar
metal tape into the buckle and then tie the strap to release simply the top of the buckle.
Gracias.
In case of losing cabin pressure, we'll need to bring supplementary oxygen. If this happens, the mask will drop automatically. Pull the close web to activate the oxygen system, place it over the nose and mouth, holding it with elastic band, and breathe normally. It's very important that you don't your mask before helping a child or another person sitting next to you. You are on board a Boeing 737-800 which has a emergency exit clearly indicated, two at the front, four over the wing, and two at the rear of the cabin. An emergency light system will lead you to the exit located and is what to you. We also recommend that you read the safety.
Tripulación de cabina próximos al despegue.
Hasta que el sobrecargo lo indique. Informamos que a partir de este momento se permite desactivar la función modo vuelo en sus dispositivos electrónicos mientras se encuentran a bordo del avión. Mexicana abre su preferencia. El comandante Luis Ocampo y su tripulación esperamos que hayan disfrutado del vuelo y deseamos tener la oportunidad de atenderle en otro de nuestros servicios. Les recordamos que está prohibido fumar durante desembarques. Pasajeros en vuelos en conexión, favor de ponerse en contacto con nuestro personal de tierra. Gracias por su atención y disfruten de su estancia en Guadalajara. Dear passenger, be welcome to Guadalajara Airport. For real safety is very important that you remain seated until a cabin crew member indicates when you may stand up to disembark. We remind you that all carry-on items will remain prohibited still until a cabin crew member indicates when you may stand up to disembark. For now, you may deactivate the flight mode function in all portable electronic and communication device. Mexicana appreciates your preference for flight with us. The captain, Luis Ocampo, and his crew hope that you have enjoyed your flight, and we look forward to serving you again very soon. We remind you that smoking is forbidden during the flight. As we connect the flights, please contact our ground crew personnel. Thank you for your attention and enjoy your stay in Guadalajara. A los pasajeros en tránsito con destino al aeropuerto San José del Cabo les solicitamos permanecer a bordo, conservar sus asientos asignados, abstenerse de fumar y seguir todas las instrucciones dadas por la tripulación. Nuestra estancia en este aeropuerto será muy breve.